I love absolutely everything about this car. The SQ7 is one of my favourite four-wheel drives for sure. For looks, for sure. The wheels, the stance on this car, the size, everything about it is absolutely beautiful. Now this is an Audi SQ7, it's a petrol, so it's a newer version, it's a 2021 4-litre V8. It is the V8, it is a fabulous engine, ridiculously fast, 507 brake horsepower, 155 miles an hour top speed, so it's a performance SUV with 7 seats. But this is a Black Edition car, so the wheels, the styling, the stance, it's finished in Glacier White, it's lovely. One thing you probably don't know about these SQ7s is it has 4-wheel steering, so its actual handling capabilities, obviously Quattro, are out of this world. So fast, 4 seconds 0 to 60. This car weighs just short of 2 tons, so imagine it's a big lump of metal, but to go from 0 to 60 in 4 seconds is amazing. Matrix lights to the front with the LED dynamic indicators and the rear, it looks brilliant. This is a facelifted SQ7, so the newer design to the grille, obviously Black Edition with all the black styling features. It's absolutely beautiful. The colour is called Glacier White. It's a metallic white colour, which is an upgraded option on this car. It's also got tech pack and it's got glass roof with super sport seats in black. The car is phenomenal, but look at these wheels. Red braking calipers, Black Edition wheels, diamond cut with the black centres, stunning. Black mirror casings, black flashes along the car, roof rails in black, window surrounds and privacy glass. Now this is a big car, it's a family car, it's built for everyone really. If you like speed and performance, it does that. If you've got a family, it does it so well because there's so much space in the rear. And then we've got the boot, because this is what's good about the Q7, especially the new generation Q7. From the rear end, look at these LED rear lights, which are stunning, privacy glass, but then this massive, massive boot space, even when your 7 seats are fully up like this. Intelligent seat fold, so all these seats go down electrically, we've got air suspension, but that space in the back is market leading for the Q7. Assisted tailgate, this vehicle is in a lovely order all round, and I mean it's absolutely beautiful, bodywork and everything is stunning. Super sport seats, now that's fine Napa leather quilted seats. This car's done 25,000 miles. And the 4-litre V8 engine, because Audi switched from petrol to diesel in this car, which is still a great car by the way, but then I think the purists from Audi wanted the petrol back, so then when they facelifted this car, they put the petrol engine back in, pure power and aggression from the V8, which is lovely. Now options on this car, if you look down, you've got Audi puddle lights to entry level. We've got electric memory seats for driver with electric passenger seat. Obviously the super sport seats, which you've seen, flat bottom steering wheel. And then in standard in these cars, you get the technology package, which is a digital interface behind the steering wheel. Cruise control, lane departure, you've got folding door mirrors, electric door mirrors, flat bottom steering wheel. You can see reversing cameras are reversing into that space. You've got that with the top view. And then we've got, if we go into there, you've got the haptic touchscreen interface. So this is really easy to use and it learns how you touch the screen. If I click car, we can then see we've got Audi Drive Select. So that's the functions of all the different driving capabilities of this car for fuel efficiency, individual, and there's your air suspension settings. So you can raise and lower this car and it actually goes up and down with the different driving modes you choose, which is fabulous stuff. Digital climate control, heated front and rear seats, lots of safety features, wireless phone charging, and we've actually got a vehicle tracking device as well, so that will help on your insurance, especially when you're trying to insure a fast car like this. Wonderful, wonderful noise to this engine as well. It does everything so well, this car, because it's got the style, it's got the practicality, and it's got the speed. With the 4-wheel steering, which just, the handling is exceptional, the handling is exceptional, and I absolutely love this car. I will be taking it home tonight for sure, just to give it a blast, because it's one of those cars, and when you've driven it, you don't want to get out of it. My name's Richard, available on the website now. Use my number on the screen, give me a call. Thanks for watching.